present I got from Jamaica, of course. This is my rocker chair. This is my little snake buddy.
Can you make us a juice?
And this is my frog. Hello, he. But yeah, of course, I could make some juice for you guys. Ice cubes.
Show them. Thank you. Show them how you make another one.
Okay. Just hide this.
1 order of orange, please, or lemonade.
Don't ask me how I just bended the laws of reality.
Thank you. Fresh lemonade.
Yep.
How about your books?
Books? Oh yeah, of course. You want to read a book with me?
What's that picture? You're
What?
swimming.
I'd be like, but this is a drawing board.
Is that your baby picture?
No, this is a drawing
The one
board.
right there. Look.
Which one? Oh yeah, I miss those old days. And this one too.
That's when you turn 1 in Cebu.
In Cebu?
Yeah, we traveled there. That's your first airplane ride.
In Cebu? Could we go there again?
Yeah, it's in the Philippines.
Oh! But I
Do you
want
want to show them your...
I want to read like a book to you or something.
Do you want to show them your slide?
And this is Squishy Donut. And I want to read a book to you too. Hasty Cat has a hat. Hasty Cat has a hat. Story by Rizwan and Zach Willems. Illustrated by Don Willems and Dave Walston. The cat has a hat. The cat has a hat. The cat has a bat. And the rat has a mat. As you could see, there's lots of rhyming words. Abracadabra. Now the cat has a map. And the cat has a cap.
Hey, show your slide.
Okay, we're done reading the book.
Put it properly,
I guess.
please. Thank you.
It was just a little break. What?
Put this back. Okay, show them how you slide. First, what?
Wait. Guess what?
It didn't work.
Wait, one more. Ha. Just kidding. Of course, you know I wouldn't do that. So how to go up? First, take off your shoes. Then climb up. Climb up. Crawl. Of course, I have my teddy bear. Because I'm a little bit scared when I go to sleep because I hear weird sounds.
I'll give you that bear. Uncle Bill? Yeah.
In this white slide. Ah! That was a little bit fun but scary. And I have this little grab pack.
Say bye.
next time.
Like
And subscribe.